Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I will be showing you how you can make your friends list private on Facebook. And to do that, you are going to go to your profile page first, go to friends, and go over here, these three dots, and click on edit privacy. So friends list, who can see your friends list? Remember that your friends control who can see their friendships on their own timelines. If people can see your friendship on another timeline, they'll be able to see it in newsfeed search and other places on Facebook. If you set this to only me, only you will be able to see your full friends list on your timeline. Other people will see only mutual friends. So you are just going to click on the public button, and you can set it to either your friends see it, friends accept, specific friends, or only me, or custom. I'm just going to press on only me, and so only you can see your friends list. But yeah, to answer the question, other people can't see it, but you can. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!